Hi, Michaela and Matthew. It's your Mimi. I'm up here at the North Pole. I've got my North Pole shirt on. And they brought me in to check out some of the toys from the workshop. And they gave me this little Mandalorian, the child baby from Star Wars. They said it needs some batteries, so let's see how it works. They said if you touch it, something might happen, but if it needs batteries, it won't. So let's try it. That is the cutest baby. Mimi doesn't know she can deliver this baby. I think it's the funniest thing I've ever seen.